Enchanting whisper of nature serves as a wellspring of inspiration, weaving a profound connection between the world of music and our souls. It's in the gentle cadence of melodic evolution that we find it harmony. We begin mechanically observing the rhythm and harmony inherent in nature's symphony, meticulously defining its descents. Then, like skilled artisans, we fashion a musical tapestry using the raw elements of this hereditary canvas, skillfully playing and receiving them into a single harmonious composition. As in the Rituni is thrilled to unfold this sonic journey, prepare to be contemplated. May respected guests, we at SN will present a musical composition with the title Sound of Nature with the following composition Flute Sound 1 Rafael Alphonse, Sarah Alphonse, Juno Alphonse. Flute Sound 2 Gilvano Musquita, Rida Ilwaru, Seva Alphonse, Galicia de Lima. Flute Sound 3 Samuel Musquita, de Lima de Freitas, Jacrisman Alphonse, Junita Alphonse. Jugulele player Aldo Alphonse, Gea Paliama, Marcelino Manuputi, Brandon Dalima, Melinda Alphonse, Rifeldi Musquita. Percussionist, Urbana player, Grisela Musquita, Nadila Parera. Tifa player, Mapilia Leasiwal, Leonard Musquita. And finally, the conductor who will lead tonight is Mr. Marlon Alphonse.